Hi traders, welcome to TradersHub Ninja. In this tutorial, we will learn about RSI indicator, Relative Strength Index. RSI, it is used in technical analysis to measure the speed and changes of price movements. RSI ranges from 0 to 100 and typically a stock or asset is considered overbought and oversold. Overbought when the RSI is above 70 and oversold when it is below 30. Traders often use RSI to identify potential reversal point of the market. It is calculated using average gains and losses over a specified period of time. Looking at this chart, it's a US 30 1-hour chart. First, go to the indicator settings. I just add a RSI indicator. Then, access the indicator settings again. I just remove the MA, RSI based MA, and then adjust the color and thickness of RSI indicator. I just change the color and thickness of RSI indicator as well as the color and thickness of RSI upper, middle and lower lines. Look here, RSI indicator. What is the rules in this indicator? RSI above 70, it's the overbought level. RSI below 30, it's the oversold level. Here, RSI above 70, overbought level. RSI below 30, oversold level. When the market will approach the RSI above 70, it is the overbought level. Here, sellers are in control of the market. When market will approach the RSI below 30, here buyers are in control of the market. Looking at the chart, RSI was in a 70 range. It was overbought level. Here RSI got a overbought signal. And then look here, RSI was above 70 range in this level. Looking at the real chart, here is also RSI got a selling signal, overbought range. Here is also RSI got a overbought level, selling signal. Look here, market was not respect the overbought level. If RSI got a overbought 70 range, sellers are in control of the market. But we couldn't get any selling opportunity here. Market was not respect the RSI 70 range. Look here. Here is also market was an uptrend. It was a strong uptrend. Here RSI got a sell signal. RSI was above 70 here. Market was not respect the overbought level. Here is also we got a overbought level. Market was not respect the overbought level. So we could not blindly follow the RSI above 70 overbought level and then RSI below 30 oversold level. RSI above 70 overbought level signifying entry point for sellers. RSI below 30 oversold level signifying entry point for buyers. Stop trading with the RSI like this. In the next video, we will learn how to approach RSI indicator using real charts. Thanks for watching the video.